Hi everyone, I'm at the ICBearing booth of IOFT 2021. I would like to ask about the newest models ICBearing. Hello 池田さん。I would like to ask about the newest ICBearing products 2021. This year, ICBearing celebrated 25th anniversary, right?
Yes. This year we celebrate the 25th anniversary of ICBearing.
Yeah. Okay. Can you tell me about the anniversary and celebration models?
Yes. So we have 5 models. This model is the special model for ICBearing's 25th anniversary.
Okay.
Yeah. So these models have the special logo mark of 25th anniversary on the left temple.
Yes.
So it's a very special features of these models.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, and the designs, we have the variety of the design and the sizes.
Yes.
So this is the most iconic models and very thick rim design and very bold impression.
It's good.
Yeah. So these models are limited. 25 pieces limited each models.
Each models.
And each colors.
Each colors. Okay.
Yeah. So in Japan.
In Japan. Can you introduce other newest models?
Sure. So ICBearing launched the new eyewear glasses for women. So for autumn and winter collection.
Women's model?
Yeah, women's model.
Okay.
So almost of these collection has a combination with the sheet metal and acetate.
Acetate. Okay.
It's very beautiful.
This is very unique design.
Yes.
I like this models. Okay.
It looks like the butterfly or a ribbon.
A ribbon.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. It's a metal model.
Yeah. This is a metal model of silk collection.
Yeah, silk collection.
And this motif is a cloud.
Okay.
Yeah.
Clouds?
Clouds. Yeah. It's very unique.
Unique. In the air?
Yeah, in the air.
Sky.
Yeah, in the sky.
Okay.
And this models has a very new features for the silk collection because this temple attached this one horizontally. So it's totally different from the other silk collection.
It's nice.
Yes. And also we have sunglasses.
Sunglasses.
This is very unique because ICBearing eyewear is very light and simple, but these sunglasses has a very bold impression.
Bold impression.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
So very thick temple. It's 20 millimeters.
20 millimeters.
Yeah.
Okay.
The widest temple for ICBearing.
But volume, but lightweight.
Because it's also had our hinge, and this hinge has a flexibility, so it's good to wear and very comfortable.
Yeah. Okay.
And these 3 models is
yes.
new sunglasses.
This is very good. Okay. Other models do you have?
Yes. So the models here are the custom fit collection.
Yes.
The custom fit collection is designed for the Asian people.
Asian people.
Yes.
Okay. They have very lightweight and comfortable wear, and these parts to fit to adjust is very easy.
Yes, because this nose pad arm is long compared to the other ICBearing collection, so it's easy to adjust.
Yeah.
So many people.
Okay.
Yes.
This is silk collection.
Yes, this is also the custom fit collection, but it's only for made of metal. So this is also a very unique design because this shape is heptagon.
Okay.
And then also this oval shape is easy to wear.
Yeah.
It's much for very many styles.
Yes, men and women.
Yeah.
Okay. There are many attractive models here. I would like to introduce these models again on my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you for today.
Yeah, thank you for today too.
Bye. Thank you. さよなら。